This is Gail of 876 Documents, and in this video, I am talking about proper telephone etiquette, especially when you're dealing with a business. You don't just call someone up and be like, hey, you don't say hi and then say nothing else. You don't just jump into your question. There are polite ways to communicate when you're trying to do business. So let us recap. First of all, mind your manners and mind your phone etiquette. When you call someone, say, good afternoon. Could you please tell me? Could you help me? Would you happen to know? The next thing that grinds my gear is when persons say hi and say nothing else. Don't just say hi. Say hi, could you please tell me if so and so? Anyway, so that is be polite, mind your manners, know what you want to ask and state it clearly. Listen for the answer, write down the key points. When the conversation has ended or when it begins, get the name of whomever you are speaking with if there is to be a follow-up. If you do not understand anything that is being said to you in that moment, hold it in your mind and ask, and then jot it down. And ask for their extension, ask for their phone number, and ask when you can expect them to contact you. And again, this applies to school, it applies to the doctor office, it applies to the DMV, it applies to passport, it applies to anything you're dealing with someone else. Please like, follow, and subscribe. I would love to get to 10,000 followers. Anyway, thanks. I'm Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.